Hi everybody. I got a message from somebody asking about H-1B visa appointment. So I thought I would answer the question in a video on the chances that the answer might be helpful to somebody else. So this person is abroad and has an approved H-1B petition. So the USCIS here in the US has approved the case and they're abroad waiting to get the visa stamp. So they're trying to schedule an appointment and can't get an appointment, and they want to know, they are just asking for some advice. So the first thing I would say is that they need to see whether or not this visa ban, so the H-1B visa ban, whether that applies to them or not. It may or may not apply to you depending on where you were when the travel ban was put into effect. There's a few other things that would kind of control whether or not the ban is even applies to you. But if you were abroad without the visa, it could apply to you. So that's one thing. The second thing is to see then if you are in this case, the person is in Ireland or Northern Ireland, so the UK, potentially, so they are going to also be subject to this Schengen, Ireland, UK COVID travel ban. So that's another thing you need to think about. And then finally, it's even if you can get around if you're either exempt from the visa ban or you think you could put forward a case for a national interest waiver, so that could be something you could do, and that would hopefully cover both the H-1B visa ban and the COVID ban. The next thing you need to do is to get an actual appointment with the embassy, and so that has been very difficult because of all the embassy closures because of COVID. So you really need to put forth a case for an expedited appointment, and I would use the arguments that you're making if you need to get the waiver, why the entry would be in the national interest to the US. So depending on the industry that you're working in, that could easily be true for your case. So you would want to put forth those arguments to the embassy and see if they may be able to schedule you for a visa appointment, notwithstanding, the bans and just the limited availability. You really want to put your best foot forward with regards to those as well. So there's a couple of tips to think about. If you're stuck abroad with an approved petition and you need a visa stamp, you need to think about does the visa ban apply to you? Is the COVID ban going to apply to you? Could you get a waiver? And can you make a case for an expedited appointment? So hopefully there are some tips for you. Feel free to drop us a line if you want to get in touch to see if we can help you with any of those. Okay, thanks.